Happy Tuesday. Naglalakad kami ni Mister papuntang bus stop. Pupunta kami ng Peterborough to get the car. Kailangan namin mag-bus. Si James iniwan namin sa bahay kay mom. So pupunta na kami ngayon ng bus stop. Hi guys, dito na kami sa Catherine bus stop. Nag-aantay kami ng panibagong bus papunta ng Peterborough. It's about 5 minutes now. Nandito yung kanilang timetable. Yan. So, magantay kami ng 5 minutes more bago darating yung bus papuntang Peterborough. We grab some drinks sa Newlands. Basta ng chocolate and mint. Tapos ako yung Lacosade na energy drink. So, antay muna tayo ng bus darating. Dito na kami sa bus, guys. Dito kami sa second leg. Paalis na yung bus. So, punta na tayo ng Peterborough. Dito na kami sa Peterborough, guys. We're in the shopping center at the moment. Ang ganda ng ano nila dito, pa-decoration. I'll show you. Dito kami sa loob ng city center shopping. Ayan guys, yung kanilang Christmas decor. Guys, ang ganda ng nila, Christmas decor. Maghanap kami ng yung labasan dito kasi maghanap kami ng taxi. We don't know where we are now, so we're trying to figure it out kung saan yung labasan para makahanap tayo ng taxi. Bininta na daw pagdating namin doon. You reserve it already, sweetie. So they can sell it to somebody else. Hanap kami ng labasan, guys. Ang ganda ng First time namin dito. Is it first time? Yeah. Dito sa Peterborough Shopping Center. Mind you, it's a big place as well. Better than where we are. City kasi ito, kaya medyo malaki yung shopping center. We finally found a taxi. Dito na kami sa taxi, guys. Papunta sa Car World. Naglakad kami ng medyo malayo. Mga 10 minutes. Ang laki pala ng shopping center sa dito. Naligaw-ligaw. Papunta na kami sa Car World, guys. Dito na kami. Thank you! We finally arrived. Dito na kami. Nakita ko na yung car! Nandoon na siya! Guys, ito na siya! Nasa loob si Mister. He's checking everything. Oh, my new baby. Nax, my new talaga. Our new baby. Dito si Mister sa loob. He's checking it. I like the smell of it. OD. Oh dear. Somebody's checking it. Tapos yung back seat niya is like this. Meron siyang own heating and air conditioning there. Yung sa back seat, obviously, is only 3 people can sit at the back. Pero, malaki yung boot niya, guys. Did you open the boot, honey? I'll show the boot. And then, yung boot niya is... I think it's closed. Oh, here you go. Ayan, malaki siya, guys. Up to there. Laki niya. Malaki yung boot, which is good for shopping. So, ayan. I'm really excited. Kahit hindi pa ako makapag-drive. Pero I'm excited. Our new baby. Ayan na siya. I-test drive namin siya in a minute. We're driving it now, sweetie. Finally. I-drive test namin siya, guys. Pinagbigyan nila kami na kami lang dalawa. Oh, that's so sweet. That's kind of them. Kami lang daw dalawa para mag-moment kami. Charing! Ito na nga, palabas kami. I-drive test namin yung car. How was it, sweetheart?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you like it?
Bit different than my van.
I know. I quite like this one than our BMW before. Because we had a BMW State before, but we get rid of it before we had the camper van. So, I quite like this one. Road trip muna tayo just for a minute, guys. We're gonna grab some drinks, guys. Tignan nyo yung kanilang, drinking area. And then, my coffee machine. Where is Mista? And the chairs here. Coffee tayo. What you have? I'm gonna have a mocha. Yan. Ang ganda, diba? Chill muna tayo. Coffee. Kasi nilalagyan nila ng SD card yung car, yung sat-nav. Kaya nag-aantay kami sa salesperson bago magawa ng papers. So, coffee muna. So, kami sa kanilang drinking area. Si Mister nasa toilet pa. And then, we're gonna get it sorted. Excited. So, ayan na, guys, yung mga paperworks. Aayusin na. Yung salesperson umakyat sa taas. And he's checking everything. Hi guys, update. We finally get it. Are you happy, honey? Yeah, we got a new baby now. But this is the second one. James still the best. So yes, we're heading back home now, guys. Uwi na tayo. We got our new car already. Pauwi na kami. Everything sorted. So, uwi na tayo. Kasi yung aming little one is waiting us. Bless him. Hopefully it's gonna be okay. But yes, iuwi na natin to, guys, sa bahay. Dito na naman kami sa extra. Hanap ng makain. Kain muna kami, guys. Kasi 2 o'clock na, wala pa kaming tanghalian. Pasok tayo sa food court. What you gonna have? We're gonna have same. Okay? Kain tayo, guys. Meron akong spring rolls and then sweet and sour and then noodles, stir fry, si Mr. Cornish pasty with the chips and a latte. Pero ako may energy drink. Kain tayo. Gutomis na kami. Tapos na tayo kumain, guys. Uwian na. What time is it now, sweetheart? I think it's 3 o'clock now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gone.
Yung aming aling maliit doon. Sa bahay lang iniwan. Siguro namimiss niya ako kasi he's not used to it na. Wala ako kasama niya. Let's see how we get on later. So ito pa uwi na kami at magpapagas muna. We're gonna get to the Shell. Magpapagas bago uwi na guys. It's not far naman kasi pag own car, ano lang, is about 30 minutes. So hindi kagaya kanina na nagbus kami na medyo matagal. So uwi na tayo. Dito na kami guys. We're finally home. I miss my little one. I bet he miss me as well. Kasi strange sa kanya, wala si mommy. Almost 1 day, isn't it? Because we lived, oh no, it's not really 1 day, but yes. Ngayon lang siya nakaano na wala si mommy. Is that look in the window though? They must be in the kitchen. Nasa kitchen ata sila. Bahay na kami. How was it, sweetheart? Good? Good. Yes, we really enjoyed our time together disco.